Hey, what's up, YouTube? This video, we got the Glock 40 Gen 4 10mm MOS. Weapon's already been safety checked. This is one pretty sweet gun. We got the Trijicon red dot, Surefire light laser combo. So go ahead and check that reset. Phenomenal Glock reset as always. I think this is an awesome gun. Ideal setup would be for home defense, possibly a nature walk or something like that if you live in an area where there's bears or big wildlife, which I don't, but home defense for me, this gun would be perfect. I don't know what else to say about this gun. It shoots amazing. It's obviously reliable. It's a Glock. A 10mm, 15 round magazine capacity. You can't go wrong with it. As long as you can shoot the gun accurately. It's a lot more recoil than a 45 ACP, but it's manageable. Especially with the red dot sight. You can be pretty accurate with this. You know, like I said, I think it's a little big for my smaller frame. But if I was to carry this, especially in a situation where I would carry it, it would have to be outside the waistband. And probably a custom holster. You know, like I said, this gun is a good shooter. Put a bunch of holes in some bad guys with this if you had to. Like I said, just wanted to do a quick video, Glock 40 10mm. Give you a quick shot of the 15 round magazine. And here's a quick look at the ammo. I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments what will be your ideal setup for this gun. Thanks for checking out the video. Hit the like button, please subscribe, and God bless.